As far as Doge support floor, it sort of is currently 5 cents, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin cost investigation explicitly is negative today, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents in a really significant manner. Doge especially rose 0.35% in 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these as often as possible, basically clarified some pressing issues. What generally is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. In a real sense, is Doge a genuinely wise venture, or so they all things considered, thought? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth in a huge manner. However, prior to jumping extremely profound into the Doge specialized examination, especially let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $122,112,304,788, showing how the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues. What especially is essentially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. By and large, is Doge a very wise interest in a for the most part enormous manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $22,757,277,610, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, which fundamentally shows that Dogecoin basically has a medium-term obstruction at 6 cents in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that as far as Doge support floor, it truly is presently 5 cents, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 46 cents, showing that as far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently 5 cents in every practical sense, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is currently 5 cents in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market in a real sense is going in a fundamentally descending heading for present moment. So yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, sort of allowed us most certainly to discuss the especially current economic situations, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Doge specialized investigation, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they really thought. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every way that really matters, all the more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants in every practical sense move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin especially is at 7 cents, down 0.43% in every practical sense, recent hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 0.35% throughout the week, which really shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they sort of thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $214,087,214.00 while especially complete market cap came to $10,177,420,083 in an unpretentious manner. There basically are practically 139,449,266,384 fundamentally are available for use out of 139,449,266,384. Truly further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is presently 5 cents, which most certainly is very huge. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period essentially made sense of beneath. So following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is at 7 cents, down 0.43% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and especially has a value change of 0.35% throughout the week, which generally shows that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very huge. We utilize extremely relative strength index, moving exceptionally normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, basic moving most certainly normal and outstanding moving really normal to by and large examine the future development of the Dogecoin, which basically shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $214,087,214.00 while especially complete market cap came to $10,177,420,083 in an exceptionally significant manner. While Doge's Williams %R marker certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. By exchange especially signal for the most part is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a kind of descending heading for fundamentally present moment. So yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the really current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in a really significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day graph, pretty further appearance how the in every way that really matters. Absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $22,757,277,610 or so they truly thought. The really relative strength record shows that the Dogecoin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 24, exhibiting that Doge especially rose 0.35% in 7 days. Ends as per the Dogecoin cost examination. The generally bears by and large have in every practical sense neglected to explicitly take the market downwards, and subsequently, we basically are especially liable to sort of see the continuation of the bullish pattern before very long, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing that as far as Doge